do some shopping, and then head on back, and hopefully we'll be putting the power steering pump on soon. See you guys later. Alright guys, so another video. This one's going to be about the power steering pump. My old power steering pump was really squeaky. It didn't work that well. I also realized that apparently you're not supposed to put power steering fluid in a Nissan power steering pump, which, you know, totally just doesn't make sense. But apparently you use automatic transmission fluid. I filled, when I got the car, the power steering pump was bone dry. So I'm guessing it's been ran before with no fluid in it, which is why I'm having issues now. Also, when I filled it back up, I put power steering fluid in it. So, you know, you live and learn. But anyway, I ordered a brand new power steering pump that's going to be here soon. And we're going to go ahead and try to get the old one off before it gets too dark, because it's warm as crap outside. actually pretty sunny today. It's warm. As you can see, I'm wearing a t-shirt. It's like 55, 60 degrees out here. It's supposed to be really nice tomorrow too, even warmer than today. So we're finally going to go ahead and get Betty put back together. So yes, Betty. Black Betty. This is Black Betty. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and try to get her put back together real quick, and then we're going to take her out for a test drive. Make sure she works all good. I cleaned out the reservoir, and obviously the pump is new, so that doesn't have anything in it, but the rack still has fluid in it. So what I did was I have a fluid transfer pump, and I hooked it up to the return line from the rack, and we're actually going to suck the fluid, as much of it out as we can, out of the rack before we put it all back together. Alright, so I just went and picked up the couple things that we need to finish up our project here. I could not get new crush washers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to anneal them and hope for the best. So we're going to do that first so they can cool off, and then we'll go ahead and get the rest of this finished up. So there is the new water pump all installed. As you can see, we're still having trouble with our water pump issue, but that'll come in another video. But there's the new pump, everything installed, everything looks good. This is actually just water up here. It's not doesn't seem to be leaking from anywhere. And we got the reservoir all cleaned out and our racks all cleaned out. We got brand new fresh and clean power steering fluid in there. So we're good to go. So that's the power steering video. Obviously soon we'll have our video about our water pump, which has been a hell of a ride, but I will explain all that in the next video. And you know, if you like my videos, like, share, comment, tell your friends. You know how it goes. Just do what you do. Leave comments. I love reading comments. I don't get many comments, but So, yeah, and I'll see you guys next time.